Hello everyone, welcome to Moonfire Studios. This is Cindy, and today I am bringing to you a happy mail from Donkey Journals Paper Love. She is on Instagram and has wonderful pop-up sales there, and she is based out of Norway, but I get mine in the US in like a week from her. Sometimes it's less. I think she has got to be my second fastest shipping place, only beat by like New Jersey here. So let's take a look at what we got. And I couldn't resist some pretty laces. Look at these. These are so cute. I like this one. That's pretty. That would be really pretty for page trims. And then there's this one. Very similar to a couple I've already gotten, which is funny how they go around the world. It's close to, but I'm not sure if it's, I don't think it's exact, but it's still really pretty. And it's always handy to have extra on hand. Oh, look at this pretty little ruffle. I really like that. That'd be really pretty on a cover. Oh, neat. Ooh, and blue. I love the colored pieces. Look how pretty that is. Oh, I love the flowers on it. And it's a nice size. So that's very helpful. Put those over by Mr. Chameleon there. Oh, look how cute this is. Oh, what a pretty ruffle. It's like the end of a sleeve. Wouldn't that be beautiful as a shirt? How cool is that? I really like that. Ooh, and let's see, here's some book pages. Oh, look at the pretty thread. I like the blue. Oh, what's that? Aw, a little indie tag. How cute. I love it. Aw. And some pretty ribbon. And I can see my daughter's going to want this top page right away. Absolutely. And 100%. That is so cool. I don't know. She might have to fight me for it. Maybe there'll be another one in here. Oh, that's cool. Oh, I like the one of the mouse. That's so neat. I just love the patina on these too. Oh, here's a brain one. Maybe she'll want the brain one. Ooh, look at the patina on this one. I just love these. She has some of the greatest book pages. And they're always in wonderful condition. So yay, those are so cool. And then what else did we get in our little mini haul? I like doing these for you guys so you can see not only where my things come from that I use, but also potentially get some for yourself and follow along with me. So we've got cute little tickets. I love the little tickets. Look at that. And here's a cigar band. Wasn't he fun? And here's some couple stamps and a wine label. These are great. Oh, look at these. I like that one. I like them both. Those are so cool. And then we have a couple seed packets. that have never been used. I love getting these from her because they're always in perfect condition, and I like using them for little pockets. And I've even taken some and put actual seeds and things in them and made them little shaker cards to be interactive in the journals. Wheat fields or corn, something I am really familiar with in Ohio. Anyway, look at these pretty cards. They have a neat texture on them. Unused postcards, and sometimes she has used, sometimes she has unused. But look at the pretty coloring on there. It's really gorgeous. Put those there. And then we have some receipts. These are cool, to Norfolk and Western Railroad Company from Philadelphia. How cool are these? These are so neat. I like to just put these in pages just like this. You can put it in like this and make a tuck spot or an envelope out of it. You can tear it in half and use it to make pockets and all kinds of cool stuff with. Or you can actually fold it over and make it into its own envelope. Those are so neat. Oh, and these are really cool. These are, I think these are the stock certificates. But isn't that neat? And you could make this an interactive page by having someone tear down these sections and open up, and there's be like a note or something really extra cool inside of it. And these ones are neat too. Super cool. That too. Oh, this one's pretty. And you can split these up if you want to have little sections. Make it a little cohesive spread in your journal or scrapbook, or even on a little card. Very cool. Oh, that's neat. Numbers. Those would be cool on like a an anniversary card or something. Really pretty. Well, and here is this amazing little book. I just love the cover, how distressed and beat up it is. So it goes this way, I think. Let me see. There we go. Look how cool that is. Oh, look at the little illustration. How neat. I just love looking through these, and all these cool pages are super fabulous. And there's the old thread. Let's see if we can find the middle. There it is. How neat is that? Look at the patina and stuff on there, you guys. Can you get that? Let me try something with my light right here. Did that help at all? I have no idea. So I'm, ooh, look at that. I wonder if if I turn. Cindy's playing musical lights again, guys. Don't I do that like all the time? I'm trying to find the best way to show you things. And sometimes it's a little hard because the camera can't pick things up without the light. But then when I turn on lights, there's like too much light here, not enough light there. That's kind of blinding me. Anyway. Ooh, that's cool. Turn this one back on. So yeah, this is super neat. Oh, I love this little book. What fun pages and everything. Well, that's a cool page. And look at the back. Oh, wow. That is super nifty. Well, I love it. So I want to thank you for my little mini haul from Donkey Journal's Paper Love. And I highly recommend her on Instagram. And I'm going to show you her little donkey stamp. The first time I saw her do that on my thing, I was so excited. I thought that's just too cute. So anyway, thanks for joining me. Craft happy, and I will see you all next time. Bye!